What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Today we're going to talk about window tint. As you've seen in some of my other videos, I picked up a 2021 Dodge Ram 2500. The Cummins, I'm pretty excited about it. It's black, so I'm about to head over to the tint shop to try to get it. I'm not going to say matched because I'm going to do the back ones too, but I'm trying to figure it out, and it's been somewhat of a nightmare. I've been through like Google, I've been through the forums, the Dodge forums, just YouTube over and over, and nobody can tell me exactly how to match it. I know that Dodge claims that it's like a 20% in the back, but everybody knows this, if you put 20% in the front, then it's gonna look really like uneven. From the outside it looks good, but from the inside it's gonna look darker on the side windows than in the back or passenger seats. So it's very uncomfortable. I can't deal with that. From the outside it looks good, but I just can't deal with it. So I don't want to go, I'm in Texas, so I don't want to go too too dark, because I don't want to be getting pulled over. Plus my truck is black, so as it is, it's going to look really dark. So I was thinking about just doing limo in the front and then like 20% over the 20% that's on the factory. I just don't think I can do it because I've got really expensive tires and really big white tires. They're like 22 by 12, and if I curve one, I'm going to have a heart attack. So I'm going to show you what we're talking about now, and then hopefully it turns out okay. I'll show you a before and of course an after. So here we go. So here it is, guys. This is, I don't think you've seen it before. If you have, yeah, you have. It's on the other videos, but 2021 Dodge Ram. It's blacked out with some American Force 22 by 12s. They look sick. So I love this truck. It just looks so good. But you see the window tint? It's just missing. It doesn't look right. So what we're gonna try to do today, like I said, is match it. So I just got my tags. I'm heading over to the tint shop right now. It's a little dirty. It's impossible to keep this truck clean with those big tires, but we're gonna make an effort at matching this tint. You can see it, and see this is 20 according to, I mean that's just the factory glass, but we're gonna try to match this to this. So stick around and I'll show you the after. Okay, hopefully I don't regret it and I don't have to take it off or remove it and then do it again. So all right, guys. So I'm a little worried about this, guys. I hope it comes out the way I want it to. So we should be getting to the shop here in about 5 minutes, but hopefully it works out. I think I'm gonna go with 15 on the sides and 35 over the factory 20%, because I think 5% is way too dark. Right now we got to fight through Houston traffic. We're back. The truck is done. I decided to go, so the guys at the shop were real cool. They were the guy that was doing the tint, he was super cool. He said, look, I was undecided about going 25 or 35 in the back, and he's like, look, I'm gonna do one side 15 in the front, 25 on the back, and then on the other side I'm gonna go 15 and 35. And when you put them side by side, they just didn't line up correctly. And I was like, he kept telling me like I should do the 5% the limo, but man, I don't want to mess with the cops. I don't want to get pulled over, and most importantly, because I can get out of that, it's not a problem. I just didn't want to deal with risking curbing the truck. Now, I mean, it may seem like, I don't know, maybe people are going to be like, hey, you need to learn to drive your truck, but this is a really wide truck, and I'm used to small cars. My Supra, my M3, both of my SUVs, I mean, the tires are pretty flush, so I've never curbed any of those, but these stick out a good 5-6 inches. At least it feels that way, but I mean, I don't know if you can make it out, but on that mirror, but they stick out a bunch. And if I curve one of these wheels, like, there's no other way to say it, I'm gonna have I'm gonna blow a gasket. So I didn't want to risk that. The guy was real cool about it, and he said, you know what you're gonna do, he said, if you decide to go darker, you got a couple of days, just bring it back and I'll do it darker for you. But I can tell you this, I've been in the truck for, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes or so, and it feels way cooler in here. Now this is the ceramic. This is the ceramic, 15% in the front, 35 in the back, and 35 in the back as well. I meant the back windows, I'm sorry. I do wish that the back was just a little darker, the back window, but I didn't really think about it. We'll see how it looks once it cures and once it's on there for a few days. If I don't like it, I'll just have them rip it out and put some new one on there, but it looks real good for now. It looked very, very uniformed. I'm hoping I did the math correctly and that the film just looks right. So I'll show you here how it looks. Alright guys, made it back home. This is the finished product. 35 in the back. I'm kind of close to it. So 35, 15, nothing on the windshield. I gotta be honest, I liked it better when I saw it at the shop. I don't know how good it's gonna age, but I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty even. 15, 35. I was hoping to match it a little more. Maybe I'm just a little too picky, but I don't know. What do you guys think? When you look this way, it looks, I mean, I can see the windshield. Obviously I've even had limo on other cars, and of course you can still see through the windshield, but I think it looks, I mean, it looks good. I'm not 100% pleased with it. I wish it was just a little darker, because the back seems just too dark. See, this is inside the truck, obviously 15, 35, and then look at the back. It looks good. I can tell it's darker, and the truck is definitely running cooler, but I just wish it was just a little bit darker. But I don't think, I mean, you can still see, I can see the steering wheel, and I'm sure if someone's sitting in there, nah, I don't think so. I take that back. I don't think you can see anything, but from the back you can kind of see that. I'm sure you can make something out. I mean, I'm sorry, from the front. I said the back, but from the front is what I mean. Well, there you go, guys. I hope this video wasn't too long. I'll try to keep it as short as possible, but there you go. 2021 Ram with 15 on the sides, on the front, 35 on the back, and that's a ceramic tint from 3M. I can definitely tell you that the truck was definitely cooler as I was heading home. I had about a 30-minute drive, and I went about, I don't know, maybe 5, almost 10 minutes without the AC on. So let me know what you guys think. This one's next, but I don't know if you guys want to see content on this X7, but I don't know. Anyways, regardless, thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. I try to bring you as much content as I possibly can, and I just like I said, I just picked that one up about, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, so we'll be doing more content on that one. The Supra, I don't know how you guys feel about this car. It's like iffy. I know the ST, there's some content out there, and of course the M3. That one does really well. You guys really like the M3, but I don't know what's going to happen with the M3. I'm still debating. I've had it for a long time, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, but this isn't about any of this. I appreciate you guys, like I said, watching. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. I'd appreciate it, and it lets me know that you guys are watching, and it encourages me to film some more. So hope you guys are staying safe. Peace.